Bonanza, are you ready to go? 49 Bravo.
Talking to you.
Huh?
Talking to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, we're going to be a minute. Thank you.
No worries, thank you.
I was daydreaming over here.
No problem. Flabob traffic, Lescom 49 Bravo, departing runway 24. Straight out departure. Flabob.
Speed and blown. 2 minutes, use caution, banning.
Hit it, girl.
3011. That's better. Okay, we ready?
Yep.
Stoves on. Where's she at? Disappeared.
I know. It's because of these clouds. Which way was she going?
She's going to Cable. So she probably just made a right turn. Heading out that way.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Oh yeah, she's over there.
Where?
Just past this street. Red, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see her?
Well, not now. She's in. Saw the little red thing go boop.
Alright.
Okay, go.
Flabob traffic. Brown Bonanza will be departing runway 24 straight out to the west. Flabob. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Good fuel flow. Pressures and temps are good. Airspeed's alive.
I don't see her now. Oh well.
Gears coming up. Flabob traffic, Brown Bonanza, upwind 24, Flabob.
Turkey 50 Juliet, straight out, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 50 Juliet.
Riverside Tower, good morning, Bonanza 714, Juliet, Romeo's off Flabob, climbing 1000, transition along the river to the west.
Number 714 Juliet Romeo, Riverside Tower, transition approved at or above 2,300, the altimeter 3011.
Transition at or above 2,300, can I pick up flight following from you for Juliet Romeo?
No, not right now, I can't do it. Just continue at or above 2,300. When you leave 2,000, contact. That's not going to work. What's your destination?
I'm going to Santa Paula. I can pick them up for SoCal 135.4, right?
Yeah, let's try it at 125.5. They're combined. Proceed westbound, 125.5.
Okay, 125.5, and we'll stay with you until we get to 2,000, 714 Juliet Romeo.
Frequency change approved now for Juliet Romeo. Just proceed westbound, contact them.
Will do. We'll see you for Juliet Romeo.
Sure.
1 Delta Mike, contact approach 127.0, 27 nothing. Have a good day.
27-0, thanks, 5.
I think there was a Bonanza calling me as well. The Bonanza, go ahead.
Bonanza 714 Juliet Romeo, 9171 interchange, 2,300 VFR flight following to Santa Paula. We're a BE35.
What was the tail number again?
November 714 Juliet Romeo.
November 78 Papa, 78 Papa, contact approach 121.3. Have a good day.
121.3, good day, 78 Papa.
Everybody's flying today after the Santa Anas.
Ah.
SoCal approach, snapshot 196, 2,000, climbing 2,500.
For Juliet Romeo, ident, maintain VFR 4,500, squawk 4713, 4713 radar contact, pressure leaving 2,500, onto your altimeter 3012.
4713, and we'll be up to 4,500, 714 Juliet Romeo position checks.
Snapshot 196, auto departure, radar or ident, Ontario, altimeter 3012, altitude your discretion, say altitude climbing 2.
0 discretion, and we'll be climbing up to 7,500, snapshot 196.
Stationary 5 Romeo Alpha, turn right heading 180, vectors traffic.
180, 5 Romeo Alpha.
And up we go. Go.
Departure Delta 740, 2,300, climbing except 7,000.
Gears up, flaps up. Cal flaps are still open.
Snapshot 196, radar contact 2 South Riverside.
Position checks, and did you give us altitude, our discretion, snapshot 196?
Yes, VFR 7,500 approved.
Alright, VFR 7,500, snapshot 196.
Delta 740, SoCal departure, radar contact, leaving 2,700 for now, maintain 4,000.
4,000 feet, Delta 740.
100 Lima, 7,500 approved.
25.
7,500 approved for 539
Okay, we're cruised out. Speed up a little bit here.
1,500, climbing to 3,000.
Temperatures look good. We'll close the Cal flap.
4 Romeo Juliet, what's the final altitude today?
4 Juliet Romeo will be 4,500. We'll stay here.
Okay. 8 Foxtrot, did you want higher than 45?
I think that's okay for now. Thank you, 8 Foxtrot.
Roger.
124.6, 8 Foxtrot. Thank you.
Bonanza 4 Juliet Romeo traffic, 1 o'clock, 3 miles, same direction, Skyhawk 4,500. I show you got 40 knots on the traffic. Contact approach 124.6, let them know you're looking for the traffic. And actually, before you go, additional traffic for you. 3 o'clock at a mile southbound, altitude indicates 5,000 descending, rapidly maneuvering.
Okay, we have the traffic at our 3 o'clock, and we'll go over to 124.6, let them know we're looking for our 1 o'clock traffic. 4 Juliet Romeo, good day.
Thank you, perfect. Have a good one.
He's coming this way. Yeah, he's going this way.
SoCal Bonanza 714 Juliet Romeo 4,500, looking for traffic at our 1 o'clock.
714 Juliet Romeo, SoCal approach. Thank you, Burbank altimeter 3012.
3012 for Juliet Romeo. You see that guy?
No?
Okay, he's still...
Do you see him on there?
Yeah. He's still out in front of us at our 1 o'clock, about 2.5 miles.
SoCal 38 Juliet Victor 1500, climbing 4,000.
Here 38
I see
Juliet
him.
Victor, SoCal
Right
departure,
here.
radar contact, climb and maintain 12,000.
Coming over that
Climb
hill
maintain
right
12,000, 8 Juliet Victor.
there. Him?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see him.
Okay. He's gonna cross in front of you, it looks like.
Foxtrot, sliding 290.
That was that for 8 Foxtrot.
Rate Foxtrot, affirmative, sliding 290.
You see him?
290, 8 Foxtrot.
And SoCal Bonanza 714 Juliet Romeo, we have Foxtrot in sight.
4 Juliet Romeo, thank you. We'll be paralleling your course now. Rate Juliet Victor, turn right heading 320.
Right, turn
There you go.
3208 Juliet.
Yeah, he put him on the same heading we're on. Actually, he gave him 10 degrees more to the right than what we're doing right now.
Good eyes.
Yeah, you're doing good, dog. Oil pressure looks good. I'm going to switch tanks. Cylinder head temperature's nice and cool. Cal flaps are closed. Oil temp's good. Oil pressure's good.
Is that a Coliseum? Yeah.
Yep, the Rose Bowl.
Rose Bowl.
Rate Juliet Victor, counting departure 128.75.
2875, 8 Juliet Victor.
Ooh.
Excuse me.
You're on my side. Your pictures aren't as good as mine anyway.
Huh?
Huh?
50 Juliet traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles, maneuvering altitude indicates 4,000. Look at that traffic, 50 Juliet.
That.
Silver speed 300, contact Los Angeles Center on 125.8. 125.8, silver speed 300, good day. SoCal, 50 Juliet, I have that traffic sight. 50 Juliet, thank you.
And SoCal, picture 650, 1900, climbing 4,000.
Picture 650, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb maintain 6,000.
What airport's below us?
Maintain 6,000.
Burbank.
650.
We're 2 Lima Tango, descend to maintain 7,000.
Lightman's over there at Burbank, and then Van Nuys is up there.
Ah.
Take 650, turn left to direct flap and resume the departure.
Left turn, direct flap, resume departure, picture 650.
When was the last time we came this way?
With Eric?
No. I
Take
mean,
650, climb and
just this way
maintain
in general.
level 19er.
Oh.
did we go to Camarillo? Was the last time we came this way Santa Barbara?
Santa Barbara.
Was it?
Yeah. We don't go this way as much as we go out the other way.
Yeah, that's true. I want to go up to Monterey. Stay up there a couple days.
Like it there.
Number 714 Juliet Romeo, contact approach on 134.2.
134.2, 714 Juliet Romeo, good day.
Number 2 Lima Tango, descend.
SoCal, good morning, Bonanza 714 Juliet Romeo 4,500.
714 Juliet Romeo, 7 approach, roger.
This is how it was when we came out here last time.
Yeah, but it was way bumpy.
Yeah.
This is nice.
So sad.
Number 05, Quebec, turn right heading at 330. 330, our flex back.
Oh, you mean when we came to Santa Paula?
Yeah.
Oh.
And SoCal, Gulfstream 701, Whiskey Charlie is with
It
you,
was worse than this, I think.
Jenny with the hotel.
Pushing 701, Charlie, Delta, Tokyo, number 3012, descend via the arrival, cleared ILS, Zulu, Charlie 16 right.
And then he went.
Okay, descend via the arrival, cleared ILS, Zulu 16 right,
Yeah, that's
701,
true.
Whiskey Charlie.
7320 Juliet, contact Palmagu approach 128.65.
I know.
128.65, have a good day.
Yeah.
And it was worse in the back.
You're right. So,
Ew.
I'm going to write this frequency down here, because this is the one that we're going to want to grab when we come back through here.
Approach 82 Lima Tango is with you at 6,000 with India.
Oh,
82 Lima Tango,
You should
SoCal,
show
approach
everybody
and
your
maintain
picture.
5,000.
5,000, 82.
134.2.
and I drew you.
428, Foxtrot, 4,500.
Yeah, look at the picture
Show
I
us.
drew. It's great. Great.
77, remember golf, SoCal.
That's the one we need.
134.2. Got it. In my memory.
And then we'll just pick it up when we're over here before we get into the Charlie. I don't see any traffic at,
That's weird.
but that doesn't mean anything.
Right.
Traffic 2 minutes till skydiving over Lake Elsinore, 7,500 below or next to it.
Santa Paula, 4 Lima's crosswind at the 12th Street Bridge, runway 4, Santa Paula.
Oh, that's pretty. We're going down.
Right traffic for runway 4.
Santa Paula, 4 Lima's downwind, runway 4, Santa Paula.
There you
Now
go.
Apollo, right, White Bird, Skyhawk, crosswind runway 4 behind 43 Lima.
I want to go camping again.
I know, that's fun. Couldn't ask for smoother air, huh?
It's beautiful. And this is all beautiful.
Santa Paula 43 Lima's base, runway 4, Santa Paula.
So it's up against that mountain right here.
Yeah, you don't see it till you come over, right?
Little dropper.
It scared me.
Okay, where's the Ben-N-Steph field here? We're still like 10 miles from it.
Take that out of the video, please, editor.
No, I like when you have those.
No, I went like this.
Huh?
And I went like that. My seatbelts are too loose. Just kidding, FAA.
White Maroon
Seatbelts are
Skyhawk,
fine.
final runway 4.
Oh boy.
We're outbound right now.
You see it?
Not yet.
Me neither. Isn't it over there?
Santa Paula Brown Bonanza is 9 miles east of the field. 2,500 descending. We'll be entering right downwind for runway 4, Santa Paula. Maybe it's on the other side of that little thing that's sticking up. I mean,
I guess. Thought it was right in here.
no. Still.
Skyhawk is clear.
Santa Paula traffic 704, uniform Tango, departing runway 4, right, downwind departure, Santa Paula traffic.
Short runway, it's only 2,600 feet, I think.
Better get it. What kind of winery area? How'd it be? Those are grapes.
That's usually what they make wine from.
Grape. How would you know?
I don't even know.
Santa Paula traffic, White Maroon Skyhawk, runway 4 remaining in the pattern.
But those aren't. I wonder what those are.
Santa Paula traffic, Brown Bonanza, 5 miles east of the field, 2,000. We'll be entering right downwind runway 4, full stop, Santa Paula.
We'll stop at your mom.
Oh boy.
My boss.
Okay, let's go lights.
Make sure this gear's gonna work too. Damn.
Oh boy.
Traffic more skydiving in 1 minute. 8,500 below and then clear alpha.
Oh, there it is.
Santa Paula traffic, 4 uniform
Here's coming
Tango,
down.
right crossing, 4 departure, Santa Paula traffic.
It pulled the whole piece back in.
Santa Paula traffic, White Maroon Skyhawk, right crosswind, runway 4.
Where?
I don't know.
Where?
To the inside, just got a traffic alert, is that you?
Yeah, I'm making a right 360 now. Okay, I got you in sight now. No factor.
Thanks.
He's all, get out of my way, bitch.
Ooh, bitch.
That's what she said. That's what she said. Where is she?
Back on the right downwind.
Paula, right, white maroon, Skyhawk, right cross, right base, runway 4.
Oh boy. There she is. This is like Flabob, but the opposite way.
Yeah. Okay, Santa Paula traffic bound Bonanza is reestablished, right downwind runway 4, full stop, Santa Paula.
And the Skyhawk's going to go around.
Uh-oh. Hi.
I don't even know.
She's got plenty of... Oh well. Could have gotten that.
Oops.
Maybe she needed to extend her base a little.
Maybe.
Like past the golf course. That's what Eric said, I think.
Santa Paula traffic, white maroon, Skyhawk, right crosswind, runway 4.
It's tight, huh?
Yeah. That's why I think your base has to be far enough back that you can turn, get down. Time.
Santa Paula traffic bound Bonanza, be turning right base, runway 4, Santa Paula.
What was that? Oh my god.
White maroon, Skyhawk, downwind, runway 4.
Maybe that's why she went around?
Maybe. Santa Paula brown Bonanza, base to final, runway 4, full stop, Santa Paula. That's a tough one right there.
That's to
Gas.
turn it and line up.
Undercarriage, mixture is full rich, prop to go.
You gotta do all that and then you gotta get down enough.
Yeah.
Because that runway is so short.
Skyhawk, right base, runway 4.
Oh, shit, again.
No glow, no side slope lights.
Nope.
Props in, gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop.
South.
Gears down, indicating.
Somewhat. Oh, I see why. You gotta get this sucker down.
Got a pretty good wind.
Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Plenty of runway. Santa Paula traffic bound Bonanza, clear runway 4, Santa Paula.